Hey everyone, I'm Landan with LMR.com. We have a simple how-to video for you guys today, which is how you remove the factory airbox from your 1986 to 1993 Fox Mustang. Regardless of what you might be doing to your car, this video should help you fast-track the removal of your factory airbox, even though it's pretty easy to do. Now, there are a few subtle differences from 1986 to 1988 and 1989 to 1993. In factory configuration, the 86 to 88 cars were speed density and the 89 to 93 cars were mass air. Today we'll be working with a mass air car, so if your car still has the speed density setup, just omit the mass air portion from your steps. We value your time as much as we do our own, so let's get started. Starting with the hood open, disconnect the mass airflow electrical connection if equipped. Loosen and remove the two mass air bracket to strut tower retaining bolts with a 7/16 socket or wrench. Slide the mass air meter to airbox coupler clamp out of position, and then loosen the hose clamp that secures the inlet tube to the throttle body. You can go ahead and remove this section from the car. Loosen and remove the two airbox retaining nuts with a 7/16 socket. You can now remove the airbox from the car. So before we let you guys go, be sure and check out our other videos on the 5.0 Resto airbox. If you like this video or it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Fox Body Mustang content and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, you guys know what to do for all things Fox Body Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.